Hello everyone, my name is Kaann Howden and I'm the owner and creative director at Celebrate 3D Event Renderings. We are a 3D event rendering software program for event planners like you. Day 4, we've made it. We're here. We're at the tail end. And this one I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's recap. We've done the ceremony. We've done a reception. We've done a kid's birthday party, social event. And now today I'm going to show you guys a concept to reality walkthrough of an event I did a couple months ago. It is of a baby shower, hence the pink. It was a baby girl. So I'm just going to walk you guys through the whole process and then just show you guys how my clients loved everything that I did and how I was able to draw in this $7,000 baby shower for decor alone. And I know it was because they are a higher end client, and I know because I was able to provide them the mock-up and the rendering because we were able to change things in real time, and they were blown away by that. They were really blown away by it, and I know that that is what the level of expertise that they were looking for, and I was able to present it to them because I was able to show my portfolio of all the 3D renderings that I have done and the events that I have done. So they were able to confidently book me without any hesitation. Yes. So I want that same thing for you, but you have to make sure that you do use the link down below in order to sign up for the wait list. So the wait list, you'll be put on the wait list. Once you fill out the information, we will put on our wait list where we will send you emails and of course, letting you know when we are about to launch, which is happening soon, a couple of weeks out. But I am so excited for you guys to be on the list, but you have to make sure that you use the link below in order to do so, because I don't want you to miss out. It's an amazing program, and I definitely want you to elevate your client customer experience. And yeah, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to walk you through it. With the program, you also get access to me where I will be able to walk you through weekly. If you have any questions, you can bring up your own design. We can play around with it. You get that also with the software, and that's for a full year. So you'll have access to the software for a full year, and plus you'll have access to me for a full year to ask any questions, and of course for me to help you with your events and with your designs. So let's see this concept to reality, and I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out, and at the end to see what my clients had to say about the whole process. Yeah, until next time, I will see you tomorrow. Hello everyone, it is day 4 of the takeover, and I'm just going to quickly show you how I turned my concept into reality for this baby shower. So first things first, this is a rendering that I did for a gifting suite for the baby shower. The baby shower was approximately about 4 months ago, where I was able to take their designs and bring it into reality. These are just some of the concepts and some of the colors that they wanted to use within their design. I actually did a rendering here with the cake design. So that's something else that you can do within the software. You're able to take designs and bring them into reality. So I gave my cake designer this image and she was able to design the cake. Once again, I did the same thing here with the photo wall, with the florist, and the vendors that I used for the custom backdrops. They were able to take these images and replicate it as well with the balloon artist. It just made everything so simple. It was easy to use. They're able to see the colors, they're able to see the vision, and of course if anything needed to be changed, they were able to do that. My vendors, they all love receiving these renderings. Number one, because they are lifelike, and number two, it just put things into perspective when setting up. So here's an overview of the event space. Now we did build this out. It was a restaurant located here within Toronto. We did switch a couple things up just based on the amount of guests that were coming. But as you can see, You'll see in the real photos exactly how it was set up, and it was pretty much spot on. A lot of the decor elements from the venue itself we were able to actually recreate, and that's what you can also do within the software as well. You can have those specific elements recreated in 3D form, and of course to scale. That is the biggest thing. We always want everything to be to scale, because it's great for planning, but also it's great for your clients to be able to see what the event's actually going to look like. And as you see here, this was the final setup. Our clients were amazing and they were so happy with the final result. They loved it. We loved it. We were so happy. They were ecstatic as well as their guests. I can only imagine if they were to show them the renderings and what it actually looked like in the end, just how spot on it was. Now this was a high-end client. Their budget was around $7,000 for the decor, and I know that I was able to contribute because of the renderings, and I was able to get that rate because of the renderings. The renderings definitely contributed to the budget, because I was showing them something that other designers and other event planners weren't able to show them. I was able to show them exactly what the event would look like and how easy it would be to execute, because everything was set out. And it was easy to execute because I had everything already set out. So I was able to show my vendors exactly what these items were going to look like. There was no guessing. They knew exactly what they were getting into. So yeah, renders are the best. And then here I just have a snippet of the review that my client gave. They were so happy with it. I know for certain that I will be doing all of their other events, and I will be referred as well. This is the power of renderings. Clients love to experience something that is higher end. It's something that is special for their event and something that's going to be memorable. And definitely with the 3D renders, you are able to do that. So once again, if you like what you have seen so far during this takeover, please do click the link down below where you will be placed on our waiting list for the launch date. And I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands in there and to play around and to elevate your designs, elevate your client experience, because without our clients, we won't be in business. So we have to make sure that they are well taken care of and that we are executing at a high-end level. All right, so I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow where we will continue the takeover. Take care. Bye-bye.